are in the Bangalore airport and we are going to a Malaysia trip.
Today we are at Putra University, Malaysia, UPM.
We had the training session on learning and development by Mr. Nine from the Putra Business School. We had really a great experience here. I'm so grateful to tell that I had this opportunity from AIMS IBS Business School to be in this #1 Malaysian business school here.
Great thanks to AIMS IBS Business School and the platform to giving us an opportunity to visit Malaysia and these beautiful people around here. So I am very excited to know what and all the things in the itinerary to cover from tomorrow onwards. So stay tuned for the more updates.